Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet 2723 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP DeskJet 2732 support drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP DeskJet 2732 all-in-one printer software. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page and you want to select the installation software and full/basic driver support and select the Easy Start Printer Setup software and the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, you want to go ahead and open up that file to run it. If you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the online wizard like you normally would with most applications, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.